In this video, I will talk to you about 7 reasons that lead to EB1A denials in 2025 and how to avoid them. Hello and welcome back to Ayofex Immigration Partners. I am Dr. Felix, and today we are breaking down an important topic: why so many EB1 petitions are being denied in 2025 and how you can avoid those mistakes. Approval rates for EB1A this year are hovering around 72 to 75%, which means more than 1 in 4 petitions are denied. Let's look at the 7 biggest reasons behind those denials. Number 1, weak evidence of sustained acclaim. Many applicants focus on one achievement like a single award or publication, but EB1 requires proof of consistent recognition. What then is the solution? You need to show a pattern of recognition, that is, multiple awards, repeated media coverage, or long-term influence in your field. Number 2 is the misalignment with the EB1 criteria. You see, some petitions try to check the box with documents that do not truly fit the legal definition of the criteria. What then are you supposed to do? What is the solution to that? You need to map your evidence directly to the EB1 requirements and explain clearly how it stands satisfied rather the standard, that is the EB1 standard. Number 3 is generic or weak recommendation letters. Letters that use vague language like excellent or talented won't persuade USCIS. They want to see a unique and extraordinary impact. What is the solution? Use recommenders who can detail specific contributions showing how you have advanced your field. Number 4 mistake is overemphasis on job duties. Many denials rather happen because applicants describe their job descriptions rather than their achievement. So you need to focus on impact, what you changed, what you improved, or what you created in your field that others recognize as extraordinary. The 5th one is lack of original contributions. That is evidence USCIS often denies when applicant can't prove their work is original and influential. What then is the solution to that? You need to provide evidence like patent, widely cited publications, implemented innovations, or new industry standards that came from your work. Number 6, poor petition presentation. Presentation matters. As far as submitting a petition, the presentation of the petition matters. It's not just about writing it. You need to make the job of the adjudicating USCIS officer easier. Even strong cases are denied if the petition is disorganized or unclear. USCIS officers don't piece things together for you. So structure your petition as a legal argument, each claim supported by evidence and explanation. And number 7, ignoring the top of the field standard. Some applicants rather show they are very good, but not among the small percentage at the top of their field. So you need to use comparison, rankings, and authoritative sources to prove your impact is above the ordinary, that to prove that your impact is not routine in your field. So if you are planning an EB1 petition in 2025, avoid these traps and present a case that demonstrates sustained national or international acclaim, clear alignment with criteria, and top level recognition. If you found this video helpful and you got value from this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for more EB1 and EB2 NIW strategies, and share this video widely with your circle and people in your network that may need this video. Again, I am Dr. Felix, your expert partner in immigration matters. Thank you, and see you in the next video.